Set up Google Tag Manager, connected Google Ads and Google Analytics, but your tracking still isn't complete. Here is why. If you don't create the right conversion action inside Google Ads, Google won't actually know what success looks like. And that means your campaign optimization can become inaccurate from the start. Hi, I'm Jasmin, and this is part 3 of my Google Ads conversion tracking series. In this video, I show you how to properly create a Google Ads conversion action step by step. So in the past, we already set up the Google Tag Manager and connected it to Google Ads and Google Analytics. And as well, we added a conversion linker. If you missed these 2 videos, check them out here. They are linked here. So now we have to create a conversion action inside Google Ads, because Google Ads needs to know what action actually matters and what action counts as a conversion based on your business goals. So, what exactly is a conversion? A conversion is a specific action a user takes after interacting with your Google ad. For example, a purchase, filling out a lead form, or calling your business. It measures the success of your campaigns and helps optimize your automated bidding strategy. So, how to set up a conversion action? We are inside Google Ads. Now we have to go under Goals, Conversions, and then Summary. We have to scroll down a little bit and click Create Conversion Action. So now we're actually choosing our website as a data source, and you can see that we already have installed here the Google tag. So everything is connected. We remove the call, and now we click Save and Continue. Now you have to choose the conversion category you want to measure. So that could be, for example, like a lead form submission or a purchase, a phone call, a booking, or something else. So choose something meaningful for your business. So for this tutorial, we are choosing Submit Lead Form. We click that, and then you have to choose if you want to set it up manually with code or automatically without code. For the Google Tag Manager, the right way is to select manually with code. So we are choosing that. And now we have to enter our conversion settings. You have to decide if you want to set your conversion as a primary action used for bidding optimization or as a secondary. So since lead form submit is our main goal, we are choosing primary action. So we have to give it a name. We just call it submit lead form. But I recommend you be specific because later your data needs to make sense. So give it a meaningful name. Now we scroll down a little bit and we need to enter value and count. Many people actually confuse here. So for the lead business, in our business, if every lead has roughly a similar value, we would use the same value for each conversion. If the values actually vary a lot, for example, in the e-commerce business, you would use different values for each conversion. But we're gonna make it simple and we just entering $1. And same here, you have to choose how many conversions to count per click. If you choose every, that would be for the e-commerce business, for purchase, but in the lead business, we would choose 1. So now, if we scroll down a little bit, we can actually see the click-through conversion window. It depends a little bit on your business, but for most beginners, the default setting of 90 days is usually fine. So we will leave it like that. As well, we will leave data-driven as an attribution. So no need to complicate things now, and we click just Done. So now we can see an overview of our conversion action. We just click Save and Continue. And now we have to finish our setup. Since we're using the Google Tag Manager, we click that. We scroll down, and now actually what we need to do, we need to copy the conversion ID here. So we are copying that. And as well, we need to copy the conversion label. We just scroll down and click Finish. And once saved, Google Ads now understands what action you want to track, but we're not done yet. So right now we've created a conversion action, but it's not fully installed yet. In the next video, we connect this conversion action to Google Tag Manager and make it actually track. In the next video, I show you how to install your Google Ads conversion inside Google Tag Manager and how to test if it actually works. And if you'd like my full Google Ads conversion tracking guide, just comment tracking here below.